All right, hello. Today we're going to, as I said before, do a little test here on the water bottle insulators. I have three different versions. I have the one on the left here, which is the water bottle Parka. We have the 40 below insulator, and we have the Nalgene insulator carrier. Okay, so what I've done is I filled them both up, all three of them, with water equally, and I placed them in the refrigerators in the same location, or in the freezer, it's the same location, and I put them in at 8:30 this morning. It's been about 8 hours, and now we're about to test and see how much water has not frozen. Hopefully, if this all works, none. So the first one I'm going to pull out is the 40 below insulator. So pull this out here. This doesn't look good. Alright, so I placed them all in there. You can actually see the ice kind of in there already. So I'll open these up here. Oh, hear that? A good sign. Alright, so even though I've placed these upside down inside their case, you can see it's frozen to the top. So pour the water. See how many we get out here. So we got 1 full cup. Pour some more here. And so we just a little more than 1.5 cups, and you can see it's slushy inside there, full of ice. And that is the 40 below. It's got a little hook thing here. You can carry it on the side of your backpack. Little Velcro strap here. I think the problem with this one, why it's probably not working well, is it's got a seam. I think that might be a problem for the colder weathers for a long period of time. But either way, for 8 hours, not bad. So we'll dump this in a little bucket here. And we'll go on to number 2, which is the Nalgene insulator carrier. It's got a zipper close on it, so we'll open this up. This looks a little more promising. Put it upside down. Okay, so we'll open this up here. Okay, let's look inside. A little bit of ice forming, so we'll pour it in the cups here. There's one. Well, clearly we're getting a little more. Almost just about 2 full cups, just a little under. And you can see the ice forming inside there. A heck of a lot better than the 40 below so far in my eyes. So we'll pour these in here. All right. And the last test is our water bottle Parka. Right. Again, this is a zip. This is a zip one as well. See some bits in this one too. This one formed a little more ice on top. See that right there. So we'll pour this in here. Now, considering, I'd have to say our water bottle Parka wins the lead by a margin compared to the Nalgene insulator carrier. So in my eyes, considering all things, I would have to say based on everything, I would put the parka as my first choice if you're going to be out for extensive period of time in cold weather. Then comes the Nalgene insulator. And then, of course, we have the 40 below. I've done this test twice already, and I got better results the first time as far as the parka goes. So this is what I would, EMS doesn't make it anymore, but you can get these parkas, other companies. It's a well-insulated material. It's got a zip on it in that respect here, and I just connect it to my backpack. And then this Nalgene one as well. I'm not a big fan of 40 below, and I think a lot of it has to do with the seam. That might be a problem, the cause of it, but it is a pretty thick layer. So, there's your test.